Are you a student who registered for WAEC this year? Today I'm going to share with you how you can pass your WAEC exams in just one try. So grab your notes and let's get started. First things first, understand what WAEC is all about. It's not just any test, it's your ticket to further education, so take it seriously. The syllabus is your roadmap. It outlines everything you need to study, so make sure you get your hands on it and use it wisely. Set clear, achievable goals for your study sessions. Instead of just study chemistry, plan to understand Chapter 6 of the chemistry textbook. A good plan is half the battle won. Organize your subjects and allocate time for each based on your strengths and weaknesses. Start studying early. Cramming won't help you understand the material, and understanding is key to passing. Past questions are gold. They give you a feel of the exam format and the types of questions to expect. Don't be shy to ask for help. Teachers, friends, or study groups can offer new perspectives and explanations. Your health is crucial. Eat well, sleep well, and take breaks. A healthy body houses a sharp mind. Believe in yourself. A positive mindset will keep you motivated and focused on your goal. Remember, passing the WAEC in one sitting is totally doable. With the right preparation and mindset, you'll not only pass, but pass in flying colors. So, start preparing today, and you'll thank yourself tomorrow. That's it for now. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.